Hello users, so in this video we will handle the receive message functionality. So to that we need to, just like these events, we need to also write the logic when we receive a message. So we need to handle this receive message event. To do that, you can say shopee.on receive message function data. Now here what we need to do is we need to do is we need to check. First of all, we need to check if what happens is that whenever any user send us a message, we will receive this event. Now we need to check to append the message. First we need to check if a message is sent by the user which is currently active in the chat window. We only append if the current selected user is sending us the message, and if any another user is sending us message, we will not append it on the chat screen. So to do that, we need to check if data dot. Along with that, we also need to check if a message is sent by us. In that case, also we need to append the message. So we don't need to write different code for the same functionality. So what we can do is we can say if we need to use two conditions here. If data dot user ID equals to user ID and data dot other user ID is equal to this user ID. In that case, we need to end the case, and also with that also need to check if data dot user ID is equal to the user ID and data dot other user ID is equal to our user ID. In that case, we need to append the message. So message will get appended only in these two conditions: if message is sent by us or if message is received uh, by us with this current active user. Okay, now also with that we need to check if message is sent by us or message is received by us. So to check that, we need to check if data dot user ID is equal to our user ID, means message is sent by us. If data dot user ID is equal to our current user ID, then we need to check. We need to use this HTML which will be placed the message at the right side, at this side. So we can just copy it here, and we can do is create an HTML. So we are using template strings. So we don't need to format the code every time. And here, so if message is sent by us, we can say name will be the authenticated username who is sending the message. And again here, now we need to change the date we are receiving from the event. To do that, we can say data dot time, or I think yes, data dot time, and message will be dollar data dot message. Okay, and And if message received by us, in that case we can say name will be data dot other username, and here also to say data dot username, and after that we need to append this HTML in the chat messages outer. It's an outer of these. Dot append, it will append. So now let's check the we have not any errors, and let's send message. How to submit? Okay, so message is not appended here. We let's first of all check if we are receiving or not any event console here. Okay, so we are receiving the event but it's not submitting, so let's check what is the issue. So here we have the user ID is 1 and other user ID is 2, and here we have the condition. Okay, here instead of and we will use or condition. Now let's refresh the page and say hello 123. Okay, so as you can see messages get appended instantly here, and let's create a new tab and we check if Rahul is receiving or not the message. Okay, Rahul, let's log in Rahul. Here let's change, restart the server first. Okay, I did. Let's refresh both users. Okay, now both the users are now connected. So if I send message, and we need to click here. So let's type hello Rahul. So as you can see, I have received you here. Okay, so we need to change something. Chat message right, chat message left, because it is appending here. And one more thing, instead of other username we need to pass the name of authenticated user who is sending. You can say out colon user dot name. Now let's refresh both the pages, both are online. Now let's say hello Rahul, and you can see it's get appended here. His name is Ajay Sharma. And if we send message from Rahul, hello Ajay, message will get appended here. Now we need to automatically scroll to bottom if we receive an event to. Okay, so to scroll to the bottom we can use the animate, and we can say dot chat message dot animate. We can say animation will be scroll top, and it will be dollar as chat message dot props scroll right, and time will be 1000. Time will be 1000. Okay, and here instead of prop I need to set prop. Now let's refresh, and also when we refresh the page we also need to scroll this. We need to here, so whenever we get the records for the first time it will get, so it's not scrolling. Let's see what happens. It should get scrolled automatically. Okay, so here made another mistake. So let's refresh here, and it's still not scrolling bottom. Let's see what happened. Chat message dot animate, and say scroll top. Oh, yes. Okay, here instead of chat messages it should be chat messages, and here also. As you can see, whenever I chat it will automatically get scrolled, and when I send message hello it automatically get scrolled. So let's also check at the Rahul side we receive any message or not. So send a message from here hello. So as you can see it's automatically appending at the bot end in real time, and it's so fast. It will also work on the live server as same as this. As you can see, and if I close this window Rahul get automatically offline, but still we can able to send the messages, and whenever Rahul again get logged in he will receive all the messages. You can see all, and if I refresh the page you can see all our messages are get load. Okay, so that's all for this video, and in the next video we will implement the unread messages functionality. So whenever user is offline, if we can track all the unread messages, and we will show a count of all the unread messages here. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video and our channel.